So it's that magical time of year when realtors get together in a room and give themselves awards. The question is, does anyone even really care? Hi, I'm Ralph from Foxmarin Associates, a boutique real estate brokerage located right here in downtown Toronto. 'Tis the season when a bunch of Toronto realtors get together in groups, sit around in banquet halls, patting themselves on the back and presenting each other with awards and accreditations, only to be posted on social media the next day. There seems to be this belief in our industry that giving out meaningless awards somehow lends credibility to gain more exposure and future business. In my opinion, the days of hubris realtor marketing are long outdated and relics of a bygone era. I would argue that consumers are savvier than that. Why would they care about how much volume their agent has done, what kind of car they drive, or what awards they've won from their brokerage? What matters most to consumers? Does their agent fully understand their needs and have the ability to relentlessly protect their long-term best interests? From my perspective, the only Hall of Fame a realtor should be striving for is their clients. I'm Ralph, and that's your Toronto Minute.